Hey there, here we go. ShoeDazzle live for the month of April. I'm starting to get more stuff for spring and summer, and we're having a beautiful day in New York. I'm sorry, my neighbor is using his blower. I'm gonna have to talk extra loud. Roz, I think that's you. So anyway, let's see what I got. Cutting the box open. Love that pink box. Looks like I got some sandals. First up, these are called Kacha in yellow. I would call them gold, not yellow. Maybe they are yellow. Those are fun. I wanted something that was kind of a little dressy. For me in the summer it means going out on a dock to a restaurant. So just a simple slip dress and a sandal like this I think would be great. These are really cute. I'll try it on quick. Cute. I do like. Oh, and I have on my silver flip-flops from just that. Next, I got, all right, another little dressy shoe for the summer. Got a little leopard thrown in the mix. And a little bit of heel. I love these. How cute is this? Tie them right up on your ankle. These are beautiful. They're faux suede. Just a little heel. Oh, I love them. I'll definitely be wearing these in New Orleans because we're going. ShoeDazzle is invading this summer for our yearly summit. I'm really excited. See all my friends there, all my soul sisters. And what else did I get? Oh, this dress is coming with me too. I'm wearing it with those sandals. This is the ruffle sleeveless midi dress. What a cool fabric. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. Imagine it with those shoes. That is cute. Or I could do it with these or a flip-flop. This is so pretty. Really love it. I'm kind of short, I'm only 5'2", so I like the fact that it's shorter in the front and longer in the back. It's fully lined. It's a little stretchy, which we know we like. I am loving this. This is going to be fun. I see something else. Oh, this was fun. This was on such a great sale, I couldn't resist. That's what happens when you're shopping the website. There's always something new on sale. There's always something new. And this is a pencil skirt with lacing in indigo. Oh, it's pretty. I really needed a pencil skirt. I felt it. Very cute. Oh, I love that. Very pretty. Nautical, but not too nautical. Anyway, so I think that's it for this month. I love it. I'm loving a lot of the things. Of course, they threw in $100 wine voucher, and there's probably something else in there. But I think that's enough for now. So, Nymeria, come say hello. This is my favorite girl. Say hello. She doesn't want to say hello. Come here. So anyway, we will both see you for the month of May. Have a great one.